I got everything. We increased the quality. That's all right. Sam, he hasn't seen our new equipment anymore. It's called a microphone, brother. You know what I mean? It's a lot more hilarious. That's why we have introduced. That is an upgrade. We were having issues with audio quality, so now we're morning to all the party people out there. You don't necessarily have to be a party person. I doubt if you are a party person, you're wasting time on YouTube watching my videos. But if you are, then welcome to another Tuesday morning at Oz Canopies and 4x4. The weather is dreary again, but that's all right. We got the light. Is it a good angle, John? All right, easy enough. I may as well get into it. What do we got today? We got Ford Ranger. That's all right. That's it. No. Oh yeah, 100%. We're doing editing. No, not over it. Not over. Around the side.
You don't want to cover that?
Yeah, no. Don't cover the mic. That's what I think. 110%. That's all right. Boom. You know what?
Nah, man.
There we go. That's it. That's how much of a company man I am. You know what I mean? Look at that. Beautiful. Bro, get your eyebrow waxing done as well on top of your Canopy installs. Yeah, anyway, so today's a bit of a quiet day at the store. All the activity is actually happening externally at the dealerships today. So we do have this one car in. Isuzu Dmax. This is the, what do you want to know about the Isuzu Dmax? I don't know, I really thought something would come for me. Sometimes I get into the middle of sentences and I expect the end of them to come, but it doesn't really happen. Anyway, back on point. We've got a tub liner being fitted right at the moment. This one's actually going to get a canopy fitted as well. A few little roof racks and all that type of stuff. That's actually going to be the big project for today. So it's going to be nice to see how that one comes together. Nice silver, mineral silver, I believe is what it's called. Please don't correct me if I'm incorrect. And then we've also got this Ranger in. This Ranger's getting a few little additional bits and pieces done. We had done a canopy for this one a while back. Give you a bit of an idea. This canopy is now ongoing. I think when the car was actually brought new, it was about 2-3 years old now. Look at that, it still looks great. So not only do you get quality at Oz Canopies and 4x4, you get longevity. Those two things are kind of interlinked, but still. Apart from that, actually, the missus is going to be coming around. She wants to be part of the content. She's getting jealous. John and Chris Dream Team. If you don't know, John's the killer. The machine behind the camera, who we're very, very appreciative for. We may as well come around. Let's go out back over here. Let's see if there's anything new. Let's see if there's anything new to report at the back. All right, cool. So we've got some canopies that have come back from paint. At the moment, our painter is on holiday, so what we've had to do is have to go and take all the canopies to a local smash repairer to actually get painted, which unfortunately has led to some delays when it comes to painting. So if you're any of the customers that are waiting for their canopy, please rest assured they are happening. We are doing what we can to increase the speed of them. Please don't be alarmed by the fact that I've got a sticker on my head. That's mostly just for advertising purposes. I'm gonna start claiming any of the ideas that I got from the tax office, because I've got like this label on my head now. You know what I mean? So it's all work-related expenses. So yeah, we've got a whole bunch of these canopies over here that are looking to go out to paint soon. And hopefully, we can keep the ball rolling as we get into the busier months. Winter is always, don't you guys think? Cold, wet. I'm tired. I'm not a morning person, man. I am not a morning person at all. But anyway, another day. Let's get stuck into it. All right, peace. We'll be checking in shortly. I'm gonna see how long I can keep the headgear on. All right, latest. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. I swear to God, I will find you if you don't. Bye. Well, we've done some eyebrow work. 110%. No, that's all right. We've done some. See, we do some impromptu eyebrow waxing. You know what I mean? That's what I'm saying. Like even the stickers at Oz Canopies are 4x4 quality, man. We don't screw around here. You know what I mean? Well, here that's what we've done. We've done some impromptu eyebrow waxing. How does it look? Is it bad? Yeah, I told you, I'm a professional. Yeah, this is bad. Are they uneven? Yeah, that's all right. But I mean, it's all the stray hairs, isn't it? Not really. That's all right. It's all right. They'll grow back. You know what I mean? It's one of the things that you remove, they grow back. Other stuff that doesn't grow back as well. Anyway, we got to get stuck into it. I got emails. Bye.
I am the actual
actual mastermind behind the business. He knows nothing. I give him all of his ideas.
She's my ghostwriter.
And I'm going to run you guys through what is happening to all of our cars in store today.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
Yeah.
Not even mic'd up.
Yeah. I don't need
Sorry, currently crisis. Hey.
my day off. Hi.
The children watch this show. This is family viewing. This is family. This is family friendly content.
This brand new.
Oh right. Oh look at that. What
The Galleria Serafino Prada bag in black with gold hardware.
I don't know why she's promoting. This is a rival brand.
My lovely husband.
Oh, that's lovely. All right, beautiful.
All right, guys.
Don't put it
Don't put it on the floor. Where can I put it, friends? Can I put it with you? Make sure I know what it's
Don't let it. Don't open the bag. No one's gonna take the bag. Doesn't happen anything. What is it? Is it? Seems like a bit of a scam to me, but anyway, I got it. Oh yeah, beautiful. That's exactly what our target wants to know.
Alright, friends. Let's get started.
You want to get started?
We're gonna walk through the shop.
That's it. How about we do?
Follow me. Welcome to Oz Canopies and 4x4, 126 Hamilton Street, Riverstone. Did you get that? Stop laughing at me. Don't bully me. I'm the manager. Listen to me, don't listen to him. Chris, are we doing it? I'm going to say what's happening with the cars. This car is getting full set of acrylic, shellac. We've asked them to pick a colour. They haven't picked a colour. We might throw some eyelash extensions in there as well. Maybe a lash lift and tint. You never know. Alright, so this car's getting full set of acrylics. He hasn't picked a colour yet. Shellac.
Yeah.
Maybe lash extensions.
SNS.
SNS. No, we don't like that. We're not in the natural girl era. Alright, follow me. Next one. Lovely takeover. Chris, come with me. Come with me. What's this car getting done? You have to tell me. What's it getting done?
It's actually in for warranty work.
No. Tell me. What's it getting done?
It's getting serviced.
It's getting a Brazilian wax. This car's getting a Brazilian wax. Everything gone. Front to back, hairless, smooth, cooler than the other side of the pillow, smoother than a baby's bottom. Smoother than a baby's bottom. I can't even talk. Okay, what's this one getting? Let me guess. Tub slide.
Tub slide.
Is it getting tub slide?
Yeah, it is actually.
Not anymore. Today, you're gonna have to guess. Give me a drum roll. Spray tan. Okay, show me. What's the other ones? Are there other ones in here? Okay, Sammy today is getting drum roll. Drum roll. Facelift.
He's going from PX2 to PX3. Sammy, we're gonna facelift him. He's going from PX3 to RA Ranger, brother. You know what I mean? He's a write-off. Unfortunately, he's a write-off, so we're just gonna have to chop him up for parts. We're gonna send him.
What's Chris getting done today?
On hit. He had an eyebrow wax. He did you? Look at it.
And it
What?
took hair out.
Where did you get an eyebrow wax?
Yeah. No,
Here?
yesterday. You got it done
He
yesterday.
put a sticker on his eyebrow and he ripped it off and he ripped hair off his eyebrows.
Are you sure you didn't see that girl at Rouse?
There is no girl. There is no girl at Rouse Hill.
What is Isabella getting done today? Nothing. She already slays. She needs nothing done. Slay my day, slay my life. That is about it. No entry. We are filming, alright? And scene.
Scenes. Absolute. Yeah, you can definitely say scene. Absolute scenes. You know what I mean? We've got to start locking the front door. We can't just be having these random people just walking off the street cause havoc.
Not
That's
a
all.
random.
You are-
I actually live with him.
I have absolutely no clue what this is. These are all allegations that are entirely
The other
unfounded.
day, he told me that I have no substance. He said I have no substance, that I am no fun. He said that I don't speak about anything intelligent. And I said,
We're not be airing our dirty laundry
I
online.
said, listen, watch this. I'm going to come into work. I'm coming into the warehouse, and that's going to have a lot of substance, okay? We're going to bring in many substances into the warehouse.
Clearly she was on some kind of substance. I'm telling you. That's a...
They ruined my video. Alright, we're going to come back over here.
Morning is.
It's literally, the birds haven't even come out to chirp. And he's smoking a cigarette. He's going to get cancer.
I'm not.
This Canopies is going to be over. This Canopies is in my name. My name. It's going to be transferred into my name. Yeah, well, actually, he's got it sorted. He has it sorted. You know what? One day I'm going to come in with that engagement ring on, and I'm going to flash it in your face, and you're going to go, you're going to say nothing. You're going to say nothing.
You're gonna be my third partner.
You're going to say nothing.
You guys go. You guys go.
Yeah, whatever.
Talk about what? All right, we're going to go through the system. We're going to go through the system. This is our desk, guys. This is where the magic happens, all right? This is my my partner's computer. He does nothing all day. He actually watches UFC shorts online. He doesn't do any work. I think it's actually Isabella over there who's running the business, as you can see. But, you know, other than that, I don't know. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what the people want to see. We've kind of done everything. I've lost the comedic value. There's nothing left to talk about. But yeah, the next 10 minutes until I think of something, I'm finished for the next 10 minutes. My life.
Alright, cool. Alright, we're gonna go through it. Alright, cool. Grab this.
Yeah.
Yeah, 100%. Be careful. Alright. So yeah, just put the key in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Crack it. And then just put it, yeah, horizontal. Alright, that's it. That's it. There we go. Alright, and then you take the key
I
out.
did it.
And then you pull it. And then
What?
no, from the handle,
Oh,
right?
two handles.
And then and then press the button at the same time. Alright, that's it. There we go. That's it. Win number one. Alright. Anyway, I don't really know what else to say to that. Alright, cool.
That's Canopies 4x4.
You're already mic'd up. You're double mic'd up. Alright, cool.
Double mic on a Tuesday afternoon. Alright, next.
We're going to do
Next
a tour.
one.
We're doing a tour. What do we
Top
got?
slide. 300 kilo loading capacity. That means you can transport your girlfriend.
This is ridiculous.
I can't do it. You have to help me.
Oh yeah,
I
you gotta
don't
press the
have the
button. You gotta press the button.
Oh,
Once you press, yeah, there we go. Okay, we'll press the button. Just
get on
press the
it. 300 kilos. Fat pig.
This is ridiculous.
Woo!
Alright, enough of that.
Next.
Okay. Leave.
Next one.
It's
Woo!
mine. Yeah. You know what I mean?
I'm going to Camden.
Okay, alright, easy enough.
I'm going to Camden.
You know what I mean? All good.
Help
Anyway,
me.
that's
They're
alright.
interrupting my YouTube career.
Okay, all good. Well, so that whatever that was, it was that. I don't really know what else to say. Alright, cool. Peace. Back again. The performance continues. The chaos continues. I don't know if I should get into singing. Maybe that'll attract more views if I start singing. It depends. Do you guys want a song? What do I think? What's a classic? What's a classic that I can just bust out right now? You know what I mean? Without thinking. Still DIE. If you do the piano, Tom, can you do the piano and I'll do the rest of it? I don't know. I can't do most of the Dr. Dre songs for obvious reasons. Unless I have to think. Anyway, Canopies. Back to Oz Canopies at 4x4. So this was the job that we were checking in on, or first discussed in the morning. So basically putting the final touches on it now. So we've got the tub slide in, the tub liner in, the canopy is on. It looks great, and I'm not just saying that. Look at it, you guys can see it for yourselves. We got the roof racks on there, nice black roof racks from Prorack, all leveled. So for whatever type of carrying needs that you might have. That's kind of like wrapping up the day. Most of the team was actually out at dealerships doing jobs on brand new vehicles. So the shop today was nice and quiet, which is good to have a break every single day, because every now and then, because sometimes it just sort of turns into a madhouse here. And by sometimes I mean basically every single day. But that's alright. So yeah, that's kind of wrapping up the jobs for today. We've got some sort of packing up to do in the afternoon, and hopefully we can sort of get prepared for tomorrow. Really nothing else to report. I'm still thinking about a song to sing, you know. Maybe I'm going to have to bust it out next time. That concludes another day at Oz Canopies and 4x4. We've been getting some nicer weather, which is good. Sorry for subjecting everyone on the internet to my missus a little bit earlier, but you know what? She's good fun, you know. She's, what's the phrase that people say? You know, good value. Yeah, that's it. She's definitely great value. So, yeah, we will catch you next time. Peace. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You know, we've got a microphone and everything now. Come on, this is very serious business.